Bemis Teknik Elektrik, located in Turkey's first organized industrial zone, has been producing 100% domestic industrial plugs, sockets and energy distributors since 1994 in its 16,000 square meters integrated facility in Bursa, the city of industry and culture. On this path, we set out with the insight that quality is the expression of respect, where we care about the uninterrupted and reliable transmission of electricity by generating half of our turnover from exports with our active trade to 65 different countries in 5 continents by serving with our distinguished dealers spread across 81 provinces at 130 authorized points in the Turkish market, with a variety of more than 7,000 aesthetic and reliable products that are constantly developing and focused on customer demands. We have been offering the best to the industry and life for 30 years in our innovative and internationally quality-registered facility. Bemis, which started production in a small workshop on an area of 60 square meters, has been taking firm steps forward in its modern production facility since our chairman and founder, Shinasi Güneş, an electrical technician, laid the foundations of our quality-oriented production and service manner. Bemis products are preferred in heavy industries including mines, marble quarries, ports and shipyards, and in every area where there's electricity involved, such as factories, tunnels, construction sites, railways, refineries, aviation, stage, caravan and electric vehicle charging sectors. Çanakkale 1915 and Osman Gazi Bridges, defense industry projects, TOG factory, Akkuyu nuclear power plant, Qatar 2022 World Cup stadiums, Gotthard Basel Switzerland tunnel with a length of 152 kilometers are among the reference mega projects where Bemis has been preferred recently. Inverter plug series that puts an end to the trouble of disassembling and reassembling to change the phase direction, IP67 grounding reel series, sockets with nuts suitable for use without screws, products suitable for IP68 protection class, automatic grounding drum that allows static electricity to be discharged in vehicles such as ships and fuel tankers, 63, 125 and 160 ampere RS series used in heavy industrial enterprises, scented rubber plug socket series are some of the firsts that Bemis has brought to the patent world. Taking firm steps toward becoming a global brand as Turkey's leading industrial plug and socket manufacturer, Bemis's values that constitute the company policies are represented by the octagonal Selçuk pattern in our logo. Since Bemis draws its greatest strength from its employees in all its operations, it has a sustainable work environment for all its employees, not only outwardly, but also with its internal branding goal. Bemis has become an integral part of the electricity vision with its educational seminars, various social responsibility projects, internal and external training programs, and documentation publications carried out in cooperation with schools and associations to increase sectoral awareness and social benefit. Registered with ISO 14001 Environmental Quality Certificate within the scope of the Respect for Nature program, Bemis production facility uses recycled raw materials that do not contain harmful substances and gases in its products. We produce with the energy we get from the sun. With our solar power plants installed on the roof of our factory and on the field, we have produced 2 times the electricity we consume. With our nearly 200 employees nowadays, we are operating in 65 countries, mainly in Europe, with a product portfolio of more than 7,000 products. Industrial C-norm plug sockets, combination boxes, plastic rubber plugs and sockets, button and switch boxes, plastic and metal cable reels, automatic energy transfer drums, electric vehicle charging systems are the main products that make Bemis Elektrik the industry leader. All our products are meticulously designed by teams of experts in their fields, aiming for the highest quality standards. During the development phase of the products, first, we take into account all the details regarding the end user's field applications and sensitivities of usage. By considering all possibilities from the very beginning, we are able to produce solutions that provide ease of use, which is one of our main goals. We carry out all our operations from R&D to production and warehousing in our integrated production facility, supported by artificial intelligence, and in the mold design and manufacturing department of our company, we design and manufacture steel molds for all the parts we need. On the other hand, every year 250 tons of high-quality conductive brass material is produced with Industry 4.0 manner in a dark environment 24/7, untouched by hand, and turned into conductive contact pins and sleeves to be used in our plug sockets. These technologies are our core competencies that promote our quality leadership in the industry. Our products are produced by injecting special raw materials into meticulously prepared molds in injection machines. Bemis is able to provide consistent service thanks to the sustainability principle it has adopted, and to produce quality at affordable prices thanks to the loyalty, diligence, attention, and efficient work of its employees. Quality is kept under control at every stage of production with precise measurements and tests in all processes from design to product development, aiming to achieve perfection in the final products. Within the scope of the safety criteria that determine the entire course of production at Bemis Elektrik, our products are subjected to national and international quality standards and undergo a full control in our accredited test laboratory. Produced with industrial-type first-class engineering plastics, our products stand out with their high resistance to impact and chemicals, good insulation, and heat-resistant structures. With the help of sensors and robots, they seamlessly proceed towards the assembly line without any waiting. They are assembled with full and partial automation on a series of assembly lines and are quickly prepared for shipment. Here, we make lifelong connections. In addition to automated assembly areas, products customized according to your preferences for use in projects and special applications are carefully prepared and 100% controlled on the custom assembly line. Each product is individually tested and approved by us in all production steps. As in Bemis, EV charge systems and unbreakable RS series production. Every year, from our logistics centers of 5,000 square meters in total from 2 different points, 1,000 pallets and more than 30,000 packages containing our products are sent all around the world to be used in different application areas. Underground, at sea, on land, in the air. Thanks to our special solutions for use against heat and dust, humidity and dirt, and against heavy mechanical loads, Bemis products are always reliable, even in the harshest conditions, and will never let you down. Machines and electrical systems in mines must be able to operate smoothly under all conditions. The world needs more electrical energy every day than ever before. We will always be here for the safety and uninterrupted transmission of electrical energy. With its investments in knowledge, people, technology, education, research and development, Bemis Elektrik solutions are everywhere where there is production and life. The source of the care for life lies also within the life, and life deserves the best quality. Since 1994, quality is the expression of respect.